I want to give you a couple drills that are great for building your collie striking mechanics. So you're going to need a pair of collie sticks or a pair of training bolos. Either one is fine. I'm going to do the drills with both, so that way you can just kind of see it with both, and then you can pick and choose for your training. Maybe one day use some sticks and the next day use some training bolos, or you can flip-flop them with every round. We're going to do a single stick or a single sword drill and a double. Let's get to it. Our first drill, we're just gonna take a regular fighting stance position, whatever hand that the weapon is in, that's the same side foot we're gonna have forward for now. We're gonna start off in our chamber position, just like this, and we're gonna strike down our angle 1 and strike down our angle 2. Essentially, we're just gonna make a big X right in front of our body. However, today, I wanna make sure we're focusing on signature or rhythm, and we're gonna be striking in groups of 3. And here we're gonna strike 1, 2, 3, take a breath. 1, 2, 3, take a breath. Okay, so when we're at this chamber position, we're gonna inhale and then exhale on the strikes. Inhale, exhale. Okay, so I'm just exaggerating that by getting the lift in my torso. You're not really gonna do that, but I'm just exaggerating it for the instructions. You can see when I'm inhaling versus when I'm exhaling. Let's go ahead and show this from the side here. Striking in groups of 3. Same thing, let's take a look at what it looks like with stick. For our second drill, we're gonna need 2 training swords, bolos, or 2 sticks. We're gonna start off in this classical chamber position, just like this. So a lot of times you're gonna see us in this chamber position, we're on a cut and a cut. You could do this from here, but we're gonna use the classical chamber right here. So we're gonna take that top hand and we're gonna threaten the opponent with the thrust. From here, we're gonna strike the bottom hand and then the top hand, and then that left hand's gonna come around and we're gonna go right back to that classical chamber on the left side here. Okay, you're gonna see that this is pretty much the same position. One's from the cut chamber and one's from a thrust chamber position. Then we're gonna strike the right hand, left hand, and bring it around. So we have 1, 2, 3. Breathe, inhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, right there. So here are 2 very simple drills, not always easy, especially as you are raising up the intensity, but they're very good drills for really building the striking mechanics, your agility, and your endurance on your strikes. Simplicity is the key to developing advanced skills. The true advanced skills of Collie are the fundamentals. So spend lots of time training these 2 drills. Use this as your daily warm-up, maybe in the morning, right when you get out of bed. Just go in the living room, go in the backyard, in the front yard, whatever you have available, and just work these drills for like 5 to 10 minutes. It's a great way to warm up the body, pair it with some footwork. I'll go ahead and link some footwork videos down in the description that are perfect for a quick warm up. And just remember to have fun with your practice. Start each drill nice and slow, build that coordination, and over time, you can start to challenge yourself by gradually increasing the speed, the power, and the intensity of the drill. If you're tired of your collie being stagnant and you want to take your training and your skills to the next level, be sure to head over to colliecenter.com and check out our online school, our online coaching programs that are available inside of our online school. Take advantage of it because the Collie Center team is here to help you achieve your collie goals. All right, I'm going to get back to training and I'll see you back here next time.